Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another crafting DIY challenge video. I am participating in another challenge that's called Container Garden Challenge, and it is hosted by a lovely Denise Jordan. Her channel is This and That with Denise Jordan. I will link it above, and all her information will be listed in the description below, along with the playlist, who else will be participating. All the video will be linked to that playlist, and you can just click on it and watch it after this video, obviously. But so this was really interesting for me because I just redecorated. I just kind of flipped my container, I guess, where my flower pot, that's what you call it, and I decided to create something a little different with it, along with I planted a few seeds. So this is what I will be doing today. If this is something you are interested in and would like to see what I have made, then please continue watching. Okay, so today we'll be doing something really neat. I wanted to put inside this pot another pot. So this would be like the garden container. This is going to be my container. So, and I have done it in a prior video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it in the cards above, how I redid this whole pot. I actually love the way it turned out. So what I'm gonna do, I have my tools ready, and I have this plant, and it says it's a Rio de Platania, and I kind of want to put it inside with this one. So I'm gonna make a spot for it and see how we'll do together. Okay, so this is my second plant. I don't know what it's called. I need to look it up, but this one and this one, it's important to me because when my mom passed away last November 2019, my work give me these plants. So I'm really, it's kind of her memory. I don't know how to explain it, but it's important to me. So I regrouped it, ungrouped it, meaning because they were together. This one I just did, you just saw it. I just put inside because I kind of want the flowers in there. But this it was in you know, like they give you the gift basket, so I wanted to it to come back to life, so it did. It's doing really well in that pot, so I am gonna farmhouse this pot later, not right now, because I wanted to make sure it's good before I, you know, move it to a different pot or make something else, something like that, because I really like how this one turned out. So I might make a, you know, like a set so it will look the same. Sorry, it's like 100 outside, so I am really sweating here. But anyway, this is the only time I can work. I got to show you that I have this, I think I got it at the Dollar Tree. So I made some holes at the bottom with my, it's like a hot needle that you put it in a, you plug it in an electric and it melts the plastic. So I made some holes and I bought some seeds that I kind of want to plant in here before I replant them on my under my window, because I can't really leave anything under my window because rabbits, my dog, and deers are digging it out. So I am gonna try grow it in a pot and see how that's gonna work. So as you know, sunflowers are my favorite. It's a national flower of Ukraine. So they had 2 different kinds at the Home Depot. So I got 2, and I really like dill. So I'm gonna try to grow a dill too. So I want to put those 2 in one pot and kind of make it hybrid, I guess, with 2 of them. And this one, it will be in a separate. So. Well, that is all for today. This is my garden container, and I don't have any spots, so this is where my plants usually sits, on my little porch where my little dog is gardening. So, but that's pretty much it. We'll see if my dill and my sunflower will grow, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The theme was a container garden challenge, which I really enjoyed participating. I hope I fulfilled the challenge. I created a little garden that I have on my porch table because I have critters, which is the deers, the rabbits, and the tree rats, which is squirrels. They are destroying anything I plant, so I can't leave any of my stuff outside. So I have to keep them in the pots, and I have to move them to the house overnight. But that was my video for today. I hope you again enjoyed it. There's a playlist in the description below if you would like to see more video in this style. There's lots of amazing crafters, DIYers that are just giving me a enormous amount of inspiration. I met so many new friends, and the videos is just amazing. So if you would like to see more, click on the playlist and continue watching. But if you're one of my new people and this was the first time for you to meet me, welcome. I hope you will join the family. Please don't forget to click this bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.